The FirstClass Server Administration course is designed for FirstClass Administrators, Consultants, and user or support personnel who are responsible for the installation or maintenance of a FirstClass system. In the course, each participant will design and build a FirstClass system based on the case study provided. As the system is developed, exercises and discussions relating to administrative functions will augment a detailed step-by-step guide provided to all participants. With active student participation throughout the course, this is a true hands-on workshop. By the end of the course, participants will have the necessary background to administer a FirstClass system on their own. The first step will be to ensure that participants will understand how to configure the server for optimum performance and maximum benefit. Throughout the course, participants will learn the purpose of each of the items on the administrator's desktop and the function of each item on the admin menu. Learn how to effectively set up user accounts and how group assignments affect feature sets and access limits. User groups can be categorized as being standard groups installed by FirstClass, configuration groups that assign a feature or privilege to a group of users, or department or organizational groups that distinguish individuals based on their role in the organization. Learn what each of these features and settings represent, and on which groups the options should be set. Learn about organizational units and what effect this setting has on the visible directory. Learn about the different FirstClass collaboration documents and container types. Learn how to set up the system to present information effectively, efficiently, and attractively. Learn how to set the view properties on conferences and documents to encourage readership. Knowing how to present content on FirstClass will ensure that when content is published for the web, the unauthenticated user will have the same experience. Throughout the course, an emphasis will be on setting correct permissions on containers so that only those who should have access to the collaborative areas do. Learn how to effectively create and use container template groups to apply common sets of permissions and attributes across many conferences. There are a number of different ways to get content onto users' desktops. Learn when it is appropriate to use subscriber lists and when to apply content through Group Model Desktop. Learn how to enable the social workplace component of FirstClass. Social workplace communities are a different way to expose information on a FirstClass system. Much like conferences, they foster collaboration. Communities, however, take advantage of Web 2.0 technology and support wikis and multiple versions of uploaded documents. In addition, social workplace communities can be used to invite external stakeholders to participate. This will get ideas and content flowing between these two groups without overloading email. Learn to encourage users to complete their social workplace profile and personal blog so that others will be able to use the powerful search engine of FirstClass to locate others who have similar interests. With FirstClass scripting, you can send scripted commands to the FirstClass server. You can use scripting to quickly add users, create groups and conferences, update user information forms and group membership, and generate lists of users and remote names. Server monitoring and maintenance are important tasks. This section of the course teaches how to interpret the server monitor and how to make adjustments as needed. Learn how to turn on logging and how to interpret these logs. Finally, be shown how to perform backups from the server and how to restore from backup. This course is very comprehensive, but the focus is on the tasks that are essential to setting up the server and keeping it running efficiently and reliably. There are a number of additional topics included in the courseware. Some, but not all of these topics can be covered in the course. The courseware contains a number of appendices that can be used as a reference for independent study. FirstClass Server Administration is the cornerstone to understanding FirstClass and the many components or modules attached to it. In the end, a functioning starter system is created that involves all the functionality of FirstClass. If you can imagine it, you can make it happen. This course is available as an instructor-led 3-day classroom course at various locations throughout North America. It includes hands-on exercises and a training manual. This course is available as an online course which includes videos, hands-on exercises, a training manual, and an FCOL community with additional content and access to FirstClass instructors. Even though this is a 3-day classroom course in the online format, the time limit is extended to a maximum of 4 weeks to accommodate busy work and personal schedules. This course is available as an online live course, which is a video-based instructor-led session and includes hands-on exercises, a training manual, and an FCOL community with additional content and additional access to FirstClass instructors. This 3-day course will be 6 3-hour sessions. Participants of this type of course are contacted by the instructor to set up convenient days and times for the sessions. These learning sessions are hosted either by live meeting or Skype, depending on participant preference. This course is available on-site at customer locations. Please contact FirstClass Sales or FirstClass Training for pricing.